I'm vlogging. Well, this is not vlogging. Over here, this is where this is the bathroom. Stroking. I mean, this. It's rainy. It's okay. Run. Just run.
Just a little.
Mom, where's mommy? Alam, maybe mommy left the sun. I'm just joking. I know the way here. Oh, it's raining, guys. I like it.
Why?
Oh, finally. Good job. You're so good. I told you to rain yesterday. I'm just gonna put music in here, eh. We're just gonna take a bath, right? Later night again. She's my bride.
Baba, I'm gonna run again.
Mami said yun, naramdaman yung ulan. Clark.
We need the umbrella.
Okay, this one.
Why you didn't get the umbrella that at Mommy's?
But it's not even raining earlier kasi you keep on. I don't want to say it because I'm videoing. Run into the bathroom. Where's Mama Lula? Kala ko there. Nagpaulan dun sila. Wow, this is for my daily lesson. So, okay.
There.
Where?
There.
Where's Mami and JJ? Si Cooper Pakiwan.
No.
Okay, bye.